friends, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you all how you can take years off your hands and can make your hands look younger, softer and smoother overnight. So I'm going to share with you 2 easy steps to remove fine lines and wrinkles on your hand and to make your hand visibly lighter, smoother, plump and soft. So step 1, I'm going to share with you an anti-aging hand scrub. To prepare the anti-aging hand scrub, you need 2 simple ingredients. So the first ingredient that you need is sugar. Sugar works wonders on rough, dull and damaged skin. So take around 1/4 cup of sugar and put it into the mixer and grind to get a semi-fine powder. Then pour enough coconut oil to create a smooth consistency. Coconut oil is a great anti-aging oil. It reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles and spots on your hand. Before you apply this scrub, make sure to wash your hands with lukewarm water. Then apply the paste and gently rub in a circular motion for 2 minutes. This homemade scrub helps in the removal of dead skin cells, tan and impurities. So once you're done, just rinse off with warm water. So you can see my hand is looking so polished, smooth, nourished and healthy. Now moving on to the second step is an intense moisturizing anti-aging lotion. To prepare, you need 2 simple ingredients. So the first most important ingredient that you need is ghee. So if you don't have ghee, you can also use homemade butter, but try to use unsalted homemade butter. So take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Ghee can make your dry, wrinkled skin incredibly soft, smooth and plump. And finally add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. This oil nourishes your skin and the vitamin E content along with the essential fatty acids help stimulate collagen production to help reduce wrinkles, fine lines on your hand. Mix it well. Before you apply this oil at night, what you have to do is slightly microwave this oil for 10 seconds. To make it warm, massage your fingers and hands with this warm oil and leave it overnight. So the next day you'll notice fine lines and wrinkles have dramatically reduced. In just one night you will notice your skin looks much younger, softer and smoother. So give it a try to take years off your hands and to make your hands look softer, plumper, younger in just one night. So give it a try and share your results with me. Thanks everyone. For more such amazing beauty tips and updates, subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye-bye.